All right, we got this really low mileage 2023 Camaro SS, bone stock right now. What's your guess on this one?
420.
420. There we go. We'll go 405. Bone stock LC1 automatic. Not bad, not bad. All right, so after we baseline this Camaro, this thing is Matt's next project. I believe it's just getting a set of Kook's headers and maybe some other simple bolt-ons, but it'll be cool to see what it picks up on the dyno. But yeah, like I was saying, really nice Camaro SS right here, getting a set of Kook's headers. Get these silly things off and make it sound how it should. That's working on getting the stock exhaust manifolds off. It's already got one side off, so just one more side.
I think Lauren just got one, but that's cheap. That'd be what, 50% off?
45.
The goods. Thing slid right up.
Pretty simple one today. Can you guys subscribe? I'd love you. The more subscribers we get, the more different random shit we can do. Because right now I still currently lose money from YouTube between like paying everyone to make it happen. It's not why I do it though. I don't do it for money. But if I did actually make money on it, we could do cool shit. We could like test stuff and like I could do stuff that I didn't need to do to make money to be in business, because then YouTube could be paying, whatever. You get it. Subscribe, please. Thank you. 23 Camaro. Let me see how many miles are on this thing. 3,558. Simple. Got a set of headers. That's it. It was already tuned though. So it's really just going to be headers and then the difference between that tune and my tune. So let me see if this thing's warmed up yet. Yeah, it's good. All right, see what we got. I'm ready. Yep. baseline 411, 425, and it just made 433, 437.
Not bad for a header.
Nah, it was a little fat too, and I still got some timing I can put in there. So I'm gonna take out a couple percent of fuel, and I'll add 1 degree of timing. Might pick up like 10 here. We'll see. I think I took out 2% fuel, and this doesn't have an unlocked TCM, so I can't do anything with the trans, but that's fine. It's a bolt-on car. It's not really a need. So 438, 444, still a little rich. I can still take some fuel out of it. It didn't get any knocks. I can still put some timing in it too, to be honest with you, which I'm going to do up high. I'm putting a half a degree in the mid-range and a full degree up top, and then taking a little fuel out. 438, 444, about exactly the same. All right, this thing's dialed in as far as air fuel timing. Let this thing cool down for a bit. We'll be back. All right, let this thing cool down for not long, like maybe 20, 25 minutes. See what she's got. Four 441, 447. Do one more. $439, $444. So 440. What is this thing baseline? 416. So what's that? 25 horsepower or something like that. Pretty solid for essentially just a set of headers. Just like I said, this thing had a tune in it before. So I mean, tune to tune, I'm sure it may have picked up some, but either way, I'm gonna see how this thing will shift real quick. I'm gonna shift this thing real quick. I'll do a 4, 5, 6. Solid. You should be happy with this thing. That's it. Ready for more mods. Going back to New York. That's it. Later.